Understanding intersex begins with recognizing it's a biological reality, deeply rooted in the diversity of human biology. Intersex is a term used to describe individuals born with sex characteristics that do not fit typical binary notions of male or female bodies. These characteristics can be present at birth or become apparent later in life. These variations can appear in a person's chromosomes, genitals, gonads, or hormone levels. Each intersex individual is unique, with their own specific combination of these traits. Intersex is about biological features, not gender identity. Gender identity is a separate aspect of who a person is, and it may or may not align with their biological characteristics. It's estimated that up to 1.7% of the population is born with intersex traits. This statistic highlights the natural occurrence and prevalence of intersex variations in the human population. This makes being intersex about as common as having red hair, a trait that is widely accepted and understood. Intersex people are born with these variations, which are a natural part of human diversity. They are not a result of any choices or external factors. Intersex traits are simply one of the many ways that human bodies can develop. It's crucial to understand that being intersex is not a disorder or a disease. It is a natural variation, much like other variations in human biology. It's a naturally occurring variation in human development, reflecting the rich tapestry of human existence and the complexity of our biological makeup. Differentiating sex and gender is essential as they are distinct concepts. Sex refers to biological attributes, such as chromosomes, hormones, and anatomy. It is often assigned at birth based on external genitalia. Gender, on the other hand, is a social construct. Gender encompasses social and cultural roles, behaviors, expressions, and identities associated with being male, female, or other genders. Gender identity is one's internal sense of their own gender, which may or may not align with the sex they were assigned at birth. Intersex individuals often face unique challenges in a society that largely operates on a binary understanding of sex and gender. One of the most significant challenges arises at birth. When a baby is born with intersex traits, determining their sex can be complex and may not be immediately apparent. Historically, there has been pressure to fit intersex individuals into a binary system through surgical interventions. These surgeries are often performed on infants or young children without their consent and can have long-term physical and psychological consequences. Intersex traits arise from a variety of factors influencing biological development, reflecting the natural diversity of human life. These can include chromosomal variations, such as having an extra chromosome or a missing chromosome, which can significantly impact development. Hormonal differences during pregnancy can also contribute to intersex traits, affecting the fetus in various ways. For example, a fetus may not produce enough of a specific hormone, which is crucial for typical development, or their body may not respond to hormones in the typical way, leading to unique developmental outcomes. Some genetic conditions can also lead to intersex traits, highlighting the complexity of human genetics. However, in many cases, a specific cause for intersex traits may not be identified, underscoring the intricate nature of human biology and development. Living with intersex traits is a unique experience that varies greatly from person to person. Each intersex individual has their own story, their own journey, and their own way of navigating the world. Some intersex individuals may identify with the sex they were assigned at birth, finding comfort and alignment in that identity, while others may identify as male, female, non-binary, or another gender identity. This spectrum of identities highlights the rich diversity within the intersex community. Some intersex people may navigate medical interventions, while others may not. These decisions are deeply personal and can vary based on individual needs and circumstances. Open communication with healthcare providers is essential for addressing any health concerns and ensuring appropriate care. Building a trusting relationship with medical professionals can make a significant difference. It's important to remember that being intersex is just one aspect of a person's identity and does not define who they are. Intersex individuals, like everyone else, have passions, dreams, and talents that make them unique and valuable members of society. Embracing diversity means recognizing and celebrating these multifaceted identities. Creating a supportive and inclusive environment for intersex individuals is crucial. Support can come from various sources, including family, friends, and the wider community. Parents of intersex children can play a vital role in advocating for their child's needs and ensuring they receive appropriate medical care and emotional support. Raising awareness about intersex issues is essential for dispelling myths and promoting understanding. Educating ourselves and others about intersex variations helps create a more informed and accepting society. Intersex people deserve to be treated with respect and dignity, just like everyone else. It's crucial to remember that a person's sex characteristics are just one aspect of who they are. Respecting a person's autonomy and bodily integrity is paramount. This includes respecting their right to make decisions about their own bodies and medical care. By embracing human diversity and challenging binary notions of sex and gender, we can create a more just and equitable world for all.